Welcome back guys to another video of Sigma Tech. Here we have an Apple laptop which customer brought in today. The model number is A1278. The problem is customer has purchased a compatible battery to replace this original battery. Okay, so however he has replaced the battery, but the problem is he has broken the laptop connector, the keyboard connector. Okay, I will show you in the microscope. Now customer says that laptop is turning on but it is not getting off. There is some problem with the keyboard, it says. After we connect the keyboard, it is not functioning well. So after inspection we found that the connector is broken. Okay, so let's switch to microscope and see it. How does it look like? And let's replace it, whether it is working properly or not. Along with this connector, he has also broken the backlight connector as well. So here you can see guys, the connector is broken here, as you can see, and along with this he has broken the backlight connector as well. Okay, so as you can see, he might have tried very hard to fix it. That is why there are marks on the keyboard cable. As you can see, the customer has tried very hard, it seems. Anyway, so let's change the connector and test it. It's quite hard to replace the connector if you do not have a new one. So we have to take it out from a donor board. So it's a very delicate work. Okay, so let's remove the board and start changing it. Here we have a donor board, as you can see, from where we will be pulling out this connector, keyboard connector, and here is the backlight connector. So let's remove the connector from the main board first, and then we will take it out from this board as well. Okay guys, so let's open the laptop. Okay guys, so the board is open now. Let's begin the process. Okay, so let's first remove the connector from the donor board, and then we will take out the connector from the main board. So this is the donor board. Let's remove it by applying the heat from back side. Here we need to apply the heat and then pull it slowly. So here we are going to apply some lead solder so that it will be easier to remove it. The soldering on this connector is a lead free, I guess. So let's do it. Okay, so we have applied the lead based solder. Now let's apply the heat from back side, and I'll get back to you after removing the connector. So as you can see guys, we have removed the connector successfully. It was quite difficult to remove it like this, but somehow we have removed it, and I think it is intact. Now we need to clean up the lead from it, and then we can be able to replace the old one. We are using Kingbo flux for now. This is the cheap and best option, I guess, compared to the flux which available in the market. Okay guys, so it is almost clean now. There is a slight soldering left on it, but that doesn't affect our work. So let's remove the main connector from the main board and then replace the one which we removed now. So here is the main connector. Now let's remove it. It's the matching one. Yes, exactly, it is the same. Okay, so let's do it. This we don't need, so we can directly remove it. Okay, so now let's put the solder paste. Okay, so here is the challenge. Now how we are going to solder it, that's the challenge. Anyway, let's give a try. Okay, so the ground level, so the ground pins we have soldered it, and now let's solder the rest one. I mean, the light is reflecting, hopefully you will be able to see it. Anyway, let's do it this side. I think I need to change the iron. I think we need to apply heat from back side, otherwise it will not solder it properly, because there is a gap, I guess. Okay, so let's give a try. Okay, so I have applied heat from backside. Hopefully that will work out. I mean, it is quite difficult task. I have ever done it. Okay, so finally we have cleaned up. It took so much time. Okay guys, so I can see all the pins are connected properly. It is not visible to you because lot of flux I have applied, but I can see it. I needed the flux there because it is unpleasant. It's quite difficult to solder. Okay, so I guess it is done. Now let's clean it and then check it out. Okay, so I guess one pin is not connected properly. Here 2 pins, so we need to apply little flux here, and it is soldered here. Okay, so it has been soldered properly now. Everything is intact. Let's check it out. So guys, let's pack it temporarily and we check it out whether we have done it a successful job. Okay guys, the laptop has been turned on. Okay, the mouse is working. So now let's type some buttons and check it out. Okay guys, as you can see, the keyboard is working now. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. A few keys are not working. P is not working, O is not working. Okay guys, so this is the successful connector replacement, but the customer keyboard is faulty, so he need to replace the keyboard as well. Okay, so guys, this is how we fix the connector of this motherboard. It was a quite difficult work, but we managed to do it. But the bad luck is the customer's keyboard is faulty. Some of the keys are not working. Okay, so anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like to the video. Let's meet up on the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.